Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a topic that saved many from a lot of stress: how to recover deleted notes on your iPhone. Whether you accidentally deleted an important note or just realized you need information from a note you trashed a while ago, we've got you covered with some easy methods to get those notes back. Method 1. Recently deleted folder. The first place to check is your recently deleted folder within the Notes app itself. Apple keeps deleted notes here for up to 30 days before they're permanently removed. Let me show you how to access and recover notes from this folder. Method 2. iCloud Backup. If your notes aren't in the recently deleted folder, or it's been more than 30 days, don't worry. You can still recover them using iCloud Backup. I'll walk you through the steps to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup to get those notes back. Method 3. iTunes Finder Backup. For those who regularly back up their iPhone to iTunes or Finder on Mac, you're in luck. You can recover deleted notes from these backups as well. I'll guide you through the process of restoring your iPhone from an iTunes or Finder backup. Conclusion. There you have it. 3 effective methods to recover deleted notes on your iPhone. Whether it's using the recently deleted folder, iCloud Backup, or iTunes Finder Backup, there's a solution for everyone. Don't panic if you accidentally delete a note next time. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to retrieve it in no time.